What if I told you that the car you're driving right now could last over 1,000,000 miles? Yes, you heard it right. 1,000,000 miles. It's not a fantasy. It's a reality within your grasp. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make your car last a lifetime. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an extraordinary journey. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets, the habits, and the techniques that will transform your car into an indestructible machine. From the way you drive to the maintenance routines you follow, every detail counts. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to a 1,000,000-mile car, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the power of ideal RPM. Did you know that constantly driving your car at high RPMs can significantly shorten your engine's lifespan? While high RPMs can boost performance, they also cause more wear and tear on your engine. For daily driving, it's best to keep your engine within the ideal RPM range. This not only improves fuel efficiency, but also minimizes engine wear, ensuring your car stays on the road longer. Think of your engine as a marathon runner. To finish the race, the runner needs to pace themselves, conserving energy and avoiding burnout. The same principle applies to your car's engine. By keeping it within the ideal RPM range, you're ensuring it runs efficiently and lasts longer. So, next time you're behind the wheel, keep an eye on that tachometer and aim for the sweet spot. Your engine will thank you. Next, let's tackle the challenge of cold weather. In freezing temperatures, your engine oil becomes thicker and less fluid. This means it doesn't lubricate the engine as effectively, leading to increased wear. To combat this, it's crucial to let your car idle for a minute or two before driving off. This allows the oil to warm up and flow more freely, protecting your engine from unnecessary damage. Imagine trying to run a race with cold, stiff muscles. It's not only uncomfortable, but also increases the risk of injury. The same goes for your car's engine. Giving it a few minutes to warm up ensures it's ready to perform at its best. So, on those chilly mornings, give your car a little time to warm up. It's a small step that makes a big difference in the long run. Now, let's talk about braking and gear usage. Sudden braking and incorrect gear shifts can throw off your car's balance and put extra stress on the transmission. When approaching bumps and curves, it's essential to be gentle on the brakes and shift gears smoothly. This not only protects your transmission, but also ensures a safer and more comfortable ride. Think of your car as a dance partner. To move gracefully across the dance floor, you need to communicate smoothly and anticipate each other's movements. The same principle applies to your car. By mastering the art of braking and gear usage, you're ensuring a harmonious and long-lasting relationship with your vehicle. Remember, smooth driving is key to a long-lasting car. So, take it easy on those brakes and gears. Regular maintenance is the backbone of a 1,000,000-mile car. From oil changes to air filter replacements, each maintenance task plays a crucial role in keeping your car in top shape. Make sure to follow your car's maintenance schedule religiously. This includes checking and replacing fluids, filters, and other essential components. Think of your car as a high-performance athlete. To stay in peak condition, the athlete needs regular checkups, a balanced diet, and a rigorous training routine. The same goes for your car. By staying on top of its maintenance, you're ensuring it stays reliable and efficient for years to come. By staying on top of your car's maintenance, you're ensuring that it stays reliable and efficient for years to come. When it comes to car repairs, procrastination is your worst enemy. Ignoring a small issue today can lead to a major problem tomorrow. For example, a faulty ignition system can damage your exhaust system if left unchecked. So, as soon as you notice any unusual sounds, smells, or warning lights, take your car to a mechanic. Think of your car as a patient. The sooner you address a health issue, the better the chances of a full recovery. The same principle applies to your car. By addressing issues promptly, you're ensuring it stays in peak condition and avoids costly repairs down the road. Addressing issues promptly not only saves you money in the long run, but also ensures your car stays in peak condition. Last but not least, let's talk about the art of proper parking. When parking your car, especially on incline, make sure to engage the parking brake and shift into neutral. This prevents unnecessary stress on your transmission and ensures your car stays put. Think of your car as a sleeping giant. To ensure a peaceful slumber, The Giant needs to be in a comfortable and secure position. The same goes for your car. By mastering the art of proper parking, you're ensuring it stays safe and sound, ready for your next adventure. Proper parking habits might seem small, but they play a big role in extending your car's lifespan. Now, let's reveal a secret that many car owners overlook: the art of motor resting. After long drives, it's essential to let your engine rest. This doesn't mean turning it off immediately, but allowing it to idle for a few minutes. This practice helps the engine cool down gradually, reducing stress and prolonging its life. Imagine running a marathon and then suddenly stopping. Your body would be in shock, and you'd feel the strain. The same goes for your car's engine. By letting it idle for a few minutes after a long drive, you're giving it the time it needs to cool down and recover. So, the next time you go on a long drive, remember to give your engine a few minutes to rest. It's a small habit that can make a big difference in the long run. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to making your car last over 1,000,000 miles. By following these habits and techniques, you're not just extending your car's lifespan, you're also ensuring a safer, more enjoyable driving experience. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these habits today and enjoy the ride of a lifetime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on keeping your car in top shape. Until next time, happy driving.